Good morning, everybody. It's another day in paradise, and I am so happy to be back. I missed you all so much. Just amazing. Uh, really amazing. I love doing my show, and it has been quite a week, of course, I think you know. Um, so, oh, come on. Let's make sure we're here. Yes, we are. Okay. Anyway, um, quite a little trip I had to Santa Barbara, as you know. And I have a little joke down there. It says, I got a book titled A Guide to Surgical Procedures. When I opened it up, the appendix was missing. So anyway, whoops. When I opened it up, be quiet. The appendix was missing. So anyway, procedures. Go figure. It's been a couple weeks. I need some touch up here. Okay, brush up and touch up. What are we doing here? You know what? Our median price homes has remained strong at 430,000. That has a lot to say about our market. And we have been selling in April 91 homes per day. That's fantastic. Super fantastic. We get up to that 100 mark and we'll be perfect. Last year, of course, we did an incredible 142 sales per day. But that was an incredible year. Hopefully we didn't get used to the lifestyle we created by selling all those homes. Anyway, the $430,000 price range takes up 27% of our market. So there's a lot of homes out there. There's 966 available homes in that price range, 0 to 430,000. And in the single family house price range of all price ranges, is 201 closings last Friday for a total of 3,608 sales this past month, April, and for a total of 4,851 available homes, which is totally incredible. We just listed over the weekend 72 single family homes, 11 condos, and high rises listed 2, townhomes we listed 6, for a total of 91 homes we listed this weekend. The closings on Friday, like I said, total was 267. So the available homes of 4,851 give us 53 days of inventory, and that's based on 91 homes per day that we sold in April. I've got to remember, this is May 1st, May 1st, a new month. And year to date, we're not doing too badly. We're doing an average of 82 a day. And that kind of is lower because January was lower, and it's an average. So we'll see what happens as we go and proceed in the selling season. Speaking of $1 million homes have increased. They were down at 3.06 sales per day at the beginning of the year. They're up to 3.43, headed toward 3.5. Those are $1 million plus homes that are selling, have sold every day this year. We've sold $405 million plus homes. And I had a referral that was in that price range. And Friday, they wanted to see a home. And it was on the market like 2 days, and got a full price offer with backups. And that's also what happened with one of my other referrals that I have, which was in that price range. 4 days on the market, the house sold. The buyer still wanted to see it just in case they wanted to do a backup offer. And it was an impeccable home. You didn't need to do a thing to this home. It was beautiful. Anyway, we have a lovely, lovely place where we live. Anything else going on here that's notable? The investors or in the non-owner occupieds are still buying about 20, 22 homes a day. That holds steady across the board. And I was talking to, or heard somebody talking on the internet over the weekend, and they were saying that, all the big companies like Blackstone and all of those are going to come in and buy up all of our residential properties. Listen, everybody, they don't want those issues. They don't want to deal with all those, deals. What they're really doing is they're buying casino land and casino buildings, and then they're leasing the casinos back to the operators like Caesars and some of the other ones that are doing that. So that's not what they're doing. We have 80% of our rentals, our homes, are mom and pops. Only 20% are the big companies. So, don't let these people out there that are giving you wrong information deter you from what you may want to do with real estate and your own ability to build your net worth by buying homes and giving them up as rentals. And I say that because when you think of the big guys, you think that there's going to come in and they're going to compete with us, and they're going to maybe do lower prices or offer more, maybe 3 months rent or whatever to take over the market. That's not going to happen. Not going to happen. Guarantee it's not going to happen. So what else is going on here that's interesting? Let me pull up another slide here. I just want you to know I'm going to continue to keep you updated on the price ranges of single family homes and what percentage of them are selling. And I'm doing this because, of course, I want you to have a farm. You must have a farm if you're going to stay in this business. We talk a lot about what's going on with oh dear, what's going on with all the things in our interest rate market. I just got a side thought there in my head about, I think it's Wednesday, Jerome Powell is coming back, and he is going to probably increase the interest rates. The DOJ is fighting with NAR over the buyer's commissions and how we maybe need the buyer to pay us versus the seller. Lots of things going on. But if you have a farm, you're going to list to last. And if you have a farm, this chart can help you figure out perhaps what subdivisions you might want to farm based on the percentage of sales in those price ranges. So, if you look at the down here where the lucrative market, 700,000 up to over $1 million, you've got about 13% of the market there. And I understand that you don't need as many sales perhaps to make the same amount of money, but you also don't have as many buyers. So you have more buyers competing for that market. So just remember that. Yes, you don't have to make as many sales, but you also have more people coming in to compete for that market, and that have been well established, and those people that are well established in that type of market certainly have the money to do the advertising that sometimes that demands. So just be careful when you pick your price range. The $600,000 to $700,000 price range, or the $500,000 to $700,000 price range with 18%, that might be something I would consider if I were you. That's a nice commission, and that's a sweet spot right now. 18%. I think that's 18% of the market. So I think that might be something I might consider. And we have lots of homes in that price range here. And guess what? Those people, when they sell their home, they might want to buy a more expensive home. You know what I'm saying? And if they bought their home, more than 3 years ago, they've got plenty of equity in it. So there's lots of reasons, perhaps, when you look at which farm you're going to pick and which price range you're going to pick. There's lots of moving targets there to figure this one out and that one out, and then find your sweet spot and find something that you want to do, not something that you think you have to do. Because when you have to do it, it's harder to get up in the morning to do it. I know that. I did break down some of our stats into smaller charts so that, based on what perhaps you want to give away, you can just print this out. It doesn't have all the other stats on it, which Jimmy always tells me can confuse people. So we break them down so that you can see them just topic by topic. This is the sales month today compared to last year. Well, we were talking about 91 sales or month, 91 sales this past month of April. I'm going to keep saying this month, and it's last month already. At least we're in 10 hours of it. And then 2022, we were doing 142, but like I said, that's a little different. So a little different market in 2022. Don't know if we'll see one like that again for quite some time. And then we have here, of course, the median price. And from January to April, we started out at 428. February, we went down to 425. March, we held at 427, and April, 430. So we shall see. I think that when I see there's less homes on the market in this price range, that might mean that there might be multiple offers and price wars again. Yeah, because we don't have it. We need more listings. Y'all, we need more listings. So get out there and give us more listings.